Hi friends, on continuation of chapter number 1, solid state. Last session we already completed the n-type and p-type of semiconductor. So basically electrical properties in solids हमने discussion किया था. So आज का सेशन सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं उसकी एप्लीकेशन के लिए कि सर एन टाइप एंड पी टाइप बना तो लिया, व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशंस, कहाँ पे काम में आएगा. सो वो बहुत ही इन डिटेल डिस्कशन किया गया हुआ है फिजिक्स के अंदर. यस, स्टैंडर्ड 12 फिजिक्स के अंदर आपको एक पूरा चैप्टर है कंडक्टर, सेमीकंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर करके. उसके अंदर ये इन डिटेल डिस्कशन किया हुआ है, बट बीइंग ए केमिस्ट हम उसका थोड़े से ग्लिम्स आपको बता रहे हैं. एंड इमीडिएटली बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एन टाइप एंड पी टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. Various combination of n-type and p-type of semiconductor are used for making electrical components. Diode is the combination of n-type and p-type of semiconductors and is used as a rectifier. Transistors are made by this switching a layer one type of semiconductor between two layers of the other type of semiconductors. That is NPN and PNP. Means n-type, p-type, n-type and p-type, n-type, p-type types of transistor are used detect or amplify radio audio signals. The solar cell is an efficient photodiode used to conversion of light energy into electrical energy. So इस पैराग्राफ के अंदर बहुत सारे और एप्लीकेशंस भी आप जोड़ सकते हो. अब कॉम्बिनेशन देखते हैं. बेसिकली ग्रुप 14 is used into the semiconductor. So a large variety of solid which have lattice similar to this Ge and Si have been prepared by combination of group 13 and 15. Group 13 and 15 की impurities तो हमने डाली. Likewise 12 and 16. So group 13 and 15 का combination करके भी मीन 14 बनेगा, तो उसके भी सेमीकंडक्टर बहुत अच्छे काम में आए. Likewise 12 and 16 का मीन भी 14 बनेगा, तो वहां पे उसकी एप्लीकेशन से भी बहुत सारे सेमीकंडक्टर बनाए. एज फॉर एग्जांपल 13 एंड 15 का INSB, ALP, GAAS, दिस आर द कॉम्बिनेशन जिससे आप NNP टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर बना सकते हो. दे आर यूज्ड एज सेमीकंडक्टर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 12 एंड 16 वाले भी बहुत सारे मिले, ZNS, CDS, CDSE, HGT. It is interesting to learn the transition metal oxide shows marked difference in electrical property. That is TiO, CrO2, ReO3. Most important for your board examination concern. Gujarat board as well as CBSE board में 2 से 3 बार पूछा हुआ question. Behaves like metals. Rhenium oxide, that is ReO3, is like a metallic copper in a conductivity and the appearances. This is important one. ReO3 like copper metal. किसके जैसा दिखता है? 1 MCQ. and use क्या होता है? It is conductivity, appearances. Certain other oxides like VO, VO2, VO3, TiO3 shows metallic or insulating properties depending on temperature. So this paragraph will give you the importance or application of n type and p type of semiconductor. मोर डिटेल में आप डिस्कस करोगे, पूरा चैप्टर दिया हुआ है फिजिक्स के अंदर, बट दिस आर द ग्लिम्स ऑफ एन टाइप्स एंड पी टाइप्स यूजेस और एप्लीकेशन. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू दिस. इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्ट यहाँ पे डन हो रहा है. अब हम स्विच ओवर हो रहे मैग्नेटिक पार्ट के लिए. सो दैट इज लेट्स मूव ऑन टू दिस मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज. लेट्स स्टार्ट मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज. Every solid has some magnetic properties associated with it due to the presence of electron. Each electron in an atom behaves like a tiny magnet. The magnetic moment originates from this orbital motion and the spin motion of an electron. Standard 11 chapter 2 स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम का लास्ट पार्ट, स्पिन, मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट और उसके बारे में डिस्कशन किया था वहां पे. The electron being a charged particle and due to this motion has a permanent spin and the orbital magnetic moment. The magnitude of this magnetic moment is really very small and the measured in this unit called Bohr magneton. So Bohr magneton is nothing but mu b वन बोर मैग्नेट्रॉन वैल्यूज याद रख लीजिएगा, न्यूमेरिकल के अंदर काम में आएगा 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 am square, that is ampere meter square. Based on this magnetic properties, solids can be classified into the 5 ways. 5 different styles से उसको classify किया गया हुआ है. So first is diamagnetic, second is paramagnetic, then ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic. So what actually means by diamagnetic? Here in case one electron is there, when you put it into the strong field of magnet NS, strong field of magnet के अंदर, तो single electron definitely single है तो कहीं ना कहीं attract हो जाएगा. If they attract, that is entitled as a paramagnetic substance. But if electron are in paired, they cannot attract by means of external magnetic field. They generally repelled or very lightly attract is known as diamagnetic. So if electron are in single, attract by means of magnetism, that is paramagnetic. If electron are in paired, does not attract by means of magnetism, that is called diamagnetic. These are weakly repelled by the magnetic field. Diamagnetism arises due to the presence of only, once again, paired electron. Diamagnetism paired electron के लिए ही है. The pairing of electron cancel their magnetic moment and hence they lose their magnetic character. They are weakly magnetized in magnetic field in opposite direction, as for example H2O, NaCl, benzene, that is C6H6. So this is all about your diamagnetic substances. Next we moved on to this paramagnetic substance. Second, paramagnetic substance, they are weakly attracted by means of magnetic field. Paramagnetism is due to the presence of one or more unpaired electron, single या फिर एक से ज्यादा, बट अनपैड होंगे, पैड नहीं होंगे. पैड किसके लिए? डायमैग्नेटिज्म. They are magnetized in magnetic field in the same direction. They lost their magnetism in the absence of external magnetic field. Example O2, Cu+2, Fe+3, Cr+3, etc. सभी के एक एक दो एग्जाम्पल भी याद कर लीजिएगा. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बोर्ड में फ्रीक्वेंटली पूछे हुए क्वेश्चन फेरोमैग्नेटिक, एंटीफेरो एंड फेरीमैग्नेटिक. Let's start with the ferromagnetic substance. Name itself suggests they are very strongly attracted by means of magnetic field and can be permanently magnetized. In solid state, the metal ion of ferromagnetic substances are grouped together into the small regions called domains. In the absence of external magnetic field, these domains are randomly oriented and their magnetic moment get cancelled. When the substance is placed in a magnetic field, all the domain get oriented in the direction of magnetic field. Most important, 1 marker or MCQ. These domains are randomly oriented in a magnetic moment get cancelled. First, second, when a substance is placed in a magnetic field, the domains get oriented in the direction of magnetic field and a strong magnetic effect is produced. ये line याद रख लीजिएगा. This ordering of domain persistence even when the magnetic field is removed, so they become permanent magnet. Example Fe, CO, Ni, Gd, CrO2, etc. Fourth, antiferro. Ferro का opposite obviously. Here the domains are oppositely oriented. यहाँ पे क्या था? They all are in same direction or one direction and gives you the strong magnetic effect. यहाँ पे क्या है? Their domains are oppositely oriented and cancelled each other. So ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, तो नेट रिजल्टेंट क्या हो जाएगा? Cancelled. So they have no magnetic moment. Example is MnO. Ferrimagnetic substance. Here the domain are arranged in opposite direction but in unequal numbers. Oppositely है but unequal number में. 2 straight एक उल्टा, 2 straight एक उल्टा, 1 straight एक उल्टा, uneven number में है. Once again, here the domains are arranged in opposite direction in unequal number They are weakly attracted by means of magnetic field and have a net magnetic moment. This substance also loses ferrimagnetism on heating and becomes paramagnetic in nature. Most important one line, this substance also loses ferrimagnetism. ये ferrimagnetism छोड़ देंगे कब? On heating and becomes paramagnetic. एग्जाम्पल कौन से है वो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट याद कर लीजिएगा, कॉम्पिटिटिव में एमसीक्यू में काम में आएगा. Fe3O4 and ferrets like MgFe2O4, ZnFe2O4, etc. So this is all about your magnetic property or magnetic nature of solid. All 5 are important, para and dia तो है ही, but most important for your board examination is ferromagnetism, antiferro and ferrimagnetism. So this is all about your second part after electrical magnetic property of solids. This is all about your today's session. Thank you.